Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to ICT classes. I hope everybody is safe. Today, we will be discussing about Chapter 5 Working with Numbers, Task 4 Symbol Calculation. So, this will be the last task in this Chapter 5 Working with the Numbers. So, now we are moving on to the requirements of today's lesson. Requirements. The first requirement is computer with Windows 10 operating system. Second requirement is Microsoft Excel 2019. Third requirement is headphones. Now it is time to see how you can make simple calculations using Microsoft Excel. So we have tried how to open the Microsoft Excel software, how to write numbers, how to name the number, name the cells, right? So it is time for us to do some calculations using this software, Microsoft Excel. Okay. So there are different types of calculations that we can do using Microsoft Excel. You can add, subtract, multiply or divide the numbers. So in today's lesson we will be discussing only about addition. Okay. So let's add some numbers. So step 1 is open Microsoft Excel. I hope everybody knows how to open Microsoft Excel. Yeah. Step 2. Type the following in Microsoft Excel. So I want you guys to write this one in Microsoft Excel that you have opened. Here we have classes. There are two classes, A and B, boys and girls, and there are numbers. So I want you guys to write this in your computer in Microsoft Excel software. Okay. Step 3. How can we find how many boys and girls are there in class A? So we are considering class A only right now. So we want to consider how many boys and girls, that is how the total we want to find out. So here we have to go to cell D2. We are going to cell D2. Then type equal B2 plus C2 and press enter in keyboard. So I will show you how it is being done. So here you can see I have written some here. It's optional. It's okay. And then equal B2, this is B2, that is 10 is B2, you know how to name the cells, right? Plus C2, this is C2. Okay, so we will get the sum of students of class A only if we are adding the boys in class A and the girls in class A, right? So 10 plus 10, that is B2 equal B2 plus C2, which is equal to 20, right? So I will show you guys how it is being done in Microsoft Excel. So this is our desktop again, and here at the bottom left corner we have the start button. Pressing the start button, we are going to E, where we will be finding Excel. Yeah, so I'm going to open Excel. That's it, maximizing Excel. And here blank workbook, we have to select blank workbook. So we got the blank workbook. So first thing, I have to write all the information, right? Classes, pressing the arrow, boys, girls, okay. Then again class A, boys is 10, girls is 10. Now class B, boys is 12, girls is 12. Okay, so we have typed all the information that we want, and then we have to add these. So I'm going to write a heading for that. Total number of students. So you can see I have to adjust this column since it is too big. Okay, it's okay, you can write whatever you want. If you want to write total, sum, anything, it's okay, it's completely fine. So first thing I have to do is I have to put my cursor or select the cell D2. So this is D2. I have selected D2. Next thing I have to do is in the keyboard you can see on the top equal sign. So press that equal sign, and then you have to write an equation, that is B2 is 10. So we have to write B2 plus, that is we are going to add, right, total number we need, plus C2, that is number of girls in class A. So C2, that's our formula. It will be automatically selecting, you don't have to do anything. So B2 is this one and C2 is this one. Now we have done all the formula. Next thing we have to do is press the enter button. You can see that enter button, the big one in your keyboard. You have to press that one. So if you are pressing that one, tada, you got the result. See, 10 plus 10 is 20. So you got the result. So we will try one more time for class B. For class B, it will be like equal, what is the formula? B3, that is the total number of boys in class B, right? B3 plus C3, that is the girls in class B, C3. So we got the formula and it is being selected. That is, we want to find the sum of boys and girls, that is the total number of students in class B. So we have to add number of boys plus number of girls. So here B3, check the cell names, and C3. Now we have provided the formula. Don't forget to put this equal sign or else it won't be working. Okay, so now I have done the formula. Next thing, I have to press that enter button in the keyboard, right? So yes, that is done. That is 12 plus 12 is 24. That is mental math, right? So it is also correct. We have checked it. So this is how we do the addition in Microsoft Excel. I hope this is understood by each and everybody. So I will give you an assignment. You can complete the assignment and take a picture and send it back to me. Okay, hope you guys are fine. This is Celeste signing off. Bye.